Aubrey in her gym. She is looking at all the different things in her gym. I had to take the star down because she was crying at the star. She doesn't like that anymore. With all the bright lights and music, she didn't like it, so I took it down. Now she's just enjoying looking at all the different things. She's got her pig and duck and cardinal and ladybug. Yeah, you like your gym, Aubrey? You like looking at your gym? Yeah. There she is. There's Aubrey. She's 3 months old now. There were those dimples. She's just looking back and forth and back. Oh, kicking. And looking all around. Yay, Aubrey. Hi, Aubrey. Hi, Aubrey. Hi. Hey, hi, Smiley. Hi, Smiley. Can you smile? Oh, blowing some bubbles. Ooh. Having a fun time today. Whee! She just kicked the duck. Yeah. When we put her in her gym, she doesn't feel compelled to roll over. If we just put her on a blanket, she rolls over right away. But in her gym, she doesn't have to roll over. She just likes to look around. Uh-oh. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, she might be running out of patience. There she goes. Now she's going to roll over. There she goes. She rolled over. Hi. Oh, Aubrey. Did you roll over in your gym? You never rolled over in your gym before. Oh, now you can see some other thing. Now you see the little ring. Look at that. Look at that. You can see the ring now. And you can see your cow and your duck. Yeah. That's not so bad.